Right there, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to replace the trap bearings on this 2017 Tempte Super Hopper. You can see this one here is a quitter. It done lost its marbles. The other side there feels kind of sloppy, so I'm going to go ahead and replace both of these bearings here. I also got some of these trap rollers here. You got a number of them that are seized up that don't turn, so we're going to replace a few of those as well. So that's the plan here for today's video. Got my new parts over here. I think we're going to start by I think we're just going to drop this whole rack assembly off of here, gear and everything, and then on this here we got a tack weld here and here that we got to cut out so that we can get this off of the end of this shaft so we can replace that bearing. And that's basically the plan here today. So anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so we got this rack assembly off of the trailer here now. Now the next thing we're going to have to do is we got to take this knuckle off. You're not going to be able to change this bearing here because this is welded on. You know, you can't go that way with it. You have to come off this way. So we're going to have to get this U-joint, knuckle, whatever you want to call it, here off. And we've got a couple tack welds here holding it on. I've already loosened up the set screw here. So next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to cut these tack welds off. And then we're probably going to have to heat this thing up quite a bit to be able to hammer that off of that shaft. So that's what we're going to do here next. back together here now. Basically just the reverse of how it came apart. Now just to shove this back under the trailer and that part will be done. Alright, so it's all back up under there now. You can see these new bearings are actually greasable, so I went ahead and shot them with a good shot of grease there. The old ones were not greasable, so I'd expect that these replacement ones will last quite a bit longer. But it's working good. Do have a few of these bearings to replace, but that's a really simple deal here. You got just take this off, and then the bearing comes out from the back side there, and then there's some washers and different stuff in there. Just make sure you put it back the way it was, bolt the new one in there, and it keeps your traps rolling nice and smooth. Most of them actually on this front one are pretty good, but I know I've got several on the back one to replace, so I'm gonna do that here next. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.